Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Flip 6, and along with that we've got the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So we're going to go ahead and unbox these, take a look at our first impressions, and see what we've got. So let's go ahead and unbox the Z Flip 6 first. All right, so typical Samsung fashion, we've got the black box here. We'll go ahead and open this up. So let's go ahead and just tear these tabs here, which everybody likes these tabs. All right, and let's go ahead and see what we have. And there we have the blue. So this is the blue Z Flip 6. We're going to go ahead and set that off to the side here and take a look inside the box. So inside the box, we've got the charging cable and some paperwork, which everybody's seen before. So we'll just go ahead and pop that open real quick. And so they got a little pull tab there. We've got our charging cable, which should be USB-C to USB-C, which it is. I'll go ahead and set that off the side. Then we've got our typical paperwork that we get with the phones. We're going to go ahead and throw those off to the side, and we should also have a SIM ejection tool in here as well, which is right there. All right, so let's set this off to the side, and let's take a look at the phone. So this, like I said, is the blue variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. So they've got a nice little tab here. We're going to go ahead and pull the phone out, see if there's anything else in here, and it looks like we've got nothing there. Toss that off to the side. And here is the Z Fold 6. We're going to go ahead, pull off the tab here. And on the other side, we've got that pull tab. So we'll go ahead and peel that off. And first impressions, in the hand feels nice. Does feel premium. We're going to definitely test this out. The hinge feels a little bit better and updated from the previous model. And you can see around the cameras here, we've got those metal rings, which is new. And so let's go ahead and power this on. We'll give it a minute here to power up. See if it has any juice. It may not have any juice in it. And there we go. So we'll go ahead, let that power up. As soon as that's done, we'll come back and take a look at the phone. Okay, and the phone is now booted up. So this is the welcome screen. I'm going to go ahead and log in, get my account set up, and then we'll go ahead and transfer over to the new phone. And so we've got the 4-year review. So we're going to go ahead and accept everything here, except for the diagnostics. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. We don't have to accept that. We'll go ahead and agree. And it's going to go through, and we'll put it on to the Wi-Fi network. And let me go ahead and put my password in real quick. Okay, and so we're now going to connect to the network. We're going to go ahead and transfer our SIM from another device. So we'll go ahead and do that in just a minute here. I do have a physical SIM in the device, so we'll go ahead and pop that out and put that into the new device here. And so I've got this is the Galaxy S23 Ultra that I'm going to be swapping over to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Okay, so we've got the phone booted back up, and we're going to go ahead and do the easy transfer between the two phones. So we're going to go ahead and select the Galaxy or Android device, and what's cool is you can just scan the QR code now. So Galaxy Z Flip 6 is here. So we're just going to go ahead and scan that QR code. And just like that, it's going to start doing our transfer. I'm going to go ahead and put in my PIN real quick from my previous device. And now it's going to go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi, and it's going to start the automatic transfer between the two phones. So this makes it very easy to transfer from your old device to the new device, especially if you're using a Samsung device or an Android device. From what I saw, it also has the setup for the iPhones as well. So let's go ahead and let that finish its transfer, and then we'll be back. Okay, so on the copy data from your Android device, we have the option to do not copy or click next. So we're going to click next, and this is going to go through. It's going to install a Smart Switch, and we're going to use Smart Switch to transfer our data and all of our information. So we're going to go ahead and allow the permissions, and then we're going to go ahead and select either Wi-Fi or a cable. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the cable that came with the phone, and we're going to do the data transfer that way, since that will be a lot faster than doing it over the Wi-Fi. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and plug the cables into each device. So plug one side into the old device, one side into the new device. Okay, and we're going to go ahead. On the old device, we're going to send data, and on the new device, we're just going to click cable, and it's going to now connect using Smart Switch. So we're going to click connect, and as you can see, it's now connected to the new device, and it is starting the transfer. So we'll go ahead and wait for that. Depending on how much information, how much data you have on your phone, times will vary. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Select data to transfer, so we can transfer everything. We can transfer just calls, contacts, or messages, or we can do custom. I'm just going to say everything. It's going to take about 80 gigs. So estimated is 1 hour and 13 minutes. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to select custom, and then I'm going to go ahead and select what I want. So I want my call log, I want my messages, I want my apps. We'll move to the Galaxy wearables, we'll settings, home. What I'm not going to transfer is videos and images because those are backed up to the cloud. We'll go ahead and transfer over audio and documents. And we're going to go ahead and click next. And now it's just going to go ahead and do the transfer. So once again, depending on how much information you have on your phone, it will take some time. We'll go ahead and let this finish, and then we'll come back.
1 hour later.
Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and access our assistant. We're going to go ahead and select more and agree. And then this is going to set up the Google Assistant on the new device for us, and it's just transferring over the existing information. So this is new. We've got the Galaxy AI screen. So this goes over the call assist, the chat assist, interpreter, note assist, transcript assist, browsing assist, and then we have some editing options. So photo assist, drawing assist, the photo ambient wallpaper, and then we also have the health assist. So we're going to go ahead and just click on next there. Go ahead and let that get set up. Samsung Wallet. We're going to go ahead and turn this off. As you can see, this is through my carrier from T-Mobile. And then this goes over how to take care of your phone. Go ahead and click next and finish. And so now it is set up. It's transferring the data still. What it's doing right now is it's copied over the wallpaper from my existing phone and my icon pack. And what it's doing now is just transferring all the data over. So we'll go ahead and let that finish up, and then we'll go ahead and take a look. Okay, and we are done. I've transferred over my data now. Went ahead and changed the wallpaper to the Z Flip 6, new Galaxy 6 series. But that is it. So that is how you set up your new Z Flip 6 or any of your Samsung phones. Very easy. First impressions of the Z Flip 6. I'm really enjoying it. Feels really nice in the hand. This is the blue version. Hinge looks like it's going to be pretty sturdy. Looking around the sides, we've got the power button, and we've got our volume up and down rocker. On this side, you can see we have antenna bands here, same on this side. We've got the 5G modem here, and then we've got our SIM tray. Around the bottom, we've got that USB-C charging port, as well as our speaker. And it's very nice. So definitely make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be plenty more content on the Z Flip 6. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.